Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a review of Blogify. In order to do so, here we are at blogify.ai, and let's just take a look at the home screen here and see what Blogify is all about. You can automate your blog creation, publication, and affiliate monetization. Automatically repurpose 40 plus sources into blogs in 150 plus languages, publish on any platform, and earn money using our advanced AI-powered affiliate monetization. So that's pretty interesting. We can go ahead and click here to get started for free. Let's go ahead and continue down. You can see here for yourself what you can expect with Blogify, and we have a lot of useful options here for creating AI-powered blogs. Trusted by a variety of notable companies here, and here on Trustpilot, 4.8 out of 5. So that's really quite nice. We can create and repurpose over 50 plus sources into a complete SEO optimized blog with image, table, graph, quote, TLDR, keyword, meta tag, everything. So repurpose 50 plus sources to blog, automatically or manually generate blogs, SEO keyword based optimization, AI generated images, tables, and charts, and over 150 different languages supported. We can publish, just purchase a domain and create, design, and publish your blogging website using Blogify, or publish to any blogging platform like Medium, WordPress, Blogger, LinkedIn, etc. DNS, publish blogs on your own website, publish on WordPress, Medium, etc. Copy or download blogs, schedule to publish, and share on social media. Monetize. Blogify has partnered with all major affiliate networks and can automatically find the best keywords from your content and insert the highest paying affiliate links with advanced AI. So you can automatically place affiliate links in your blog, manage your affiliate links quickly and easily, real-time analytics of your affiliate links, and earn affiliate commissions. Manage your wallet. 10 times increase your online presence automatically by repurposing one single content. Blogify can repurpose content like YouTube video, podcast, e-commerce products, and almost any audio, video, image, web page documents from up to 40 plus sources into a blog. It also helps you to automatically publish, schedule, and share to increase your online presence and growth. We have a wide range of packages for you to choose. But we have the Lite at $3.99 a month. We have the Basic at $15.99 a month. We have Premium at $31.99 a month. Business at $39.99 a month. And the Enterprise at $79.99. And you can see here that we've got 50 credits for the Lite, 150 for Basic, 300 for Premium, 500 for Business, 1,000 for Enterprise. And we have a variety of other options here that we can look through to see exactly what applies to each of our tiers. Are you looking for a plan with no credit limit? You can do unlimited blog generation credits, unlimited file size and duration, including all features and add-ons. So we have here the unlimited plan, which is monthly $99.99, annually $99.95, and lifetime $1,999.99. So right now, this is 50% off on all packages. That is for limited time only. So you can see here what the regular price is. So get to Blogify quick if you want to take advantage of the unlimited plan. You can click the subscribe button there. Loved by bloggers around the world. You can see the different testimonials here. We have different add-ons, writing snippets, YouTube Connect Pro. You can see that that's going to be at an additional cost. Use your content anywhere. We have direct integration in most of the popular blogging platforms. Also with Zapier, you can use your content in over 6,000 plus apps. You can join the Blogify Facebook community, contact us if you need to, and follow us if you would like to do that as well. So that gives you an idea of everything that Blogify is capable of. If that sounds like something that you're interested, you can click on the link in the description and you would be helping us out by doing so. You can also unlock a 25% discount using the code here. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. Don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips.